moms, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, hey boy, my name is Ericarenee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Can I breathe? I said that in one breath. But welcome back to another weekly vlog. So today is Wednesday, November 17th. So yeah girl, I'm starting off this vlog in the middle of the week, and the only reason why is because I want to show y'all my little package. So I just got a package. Let me set y'all up. So girl, I get on here to show y'all this package because I had ordered from the Sephora VIB haul, but y'all, I didn't get it in time to actually do like a haul or whatever. So yeah, the stuff that I was wanting to get, they did not have it in the store, so I had to order it online, and y'all know that takes a little bit longer. So yeah, let me get this knife to open her up. This is my box, y'all. I kind of ordered a lot of stuff, not really, but kind of. Like, they said my stuff wasn't supposed to get here until Saturday, but it came kind of quick, so I'm really surprised. So yeah, I got me some goodies, period. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a whole separate video. Y'all. I'm probably gonna do like a shower routine, a body care routine. I'm gonna do multiple videos, okay, period. So if y'all don't want to miss out on those videos, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hey y'all, so it is a couple days later. Today is Friday. I don't remember when I talked to y'all, maybe on Wednesday. So today is Friday. Hallelujah. Okay, like, it's been a long week. So today is November the 19th. Girl, I just got off work. It's like 6:30, and y'all, do y'all like my little loungewear set? Isn't she so cute? Period. So this is from Skims. Y'all, I had did like a little unboxing, but I accidentally deleted my footage. So annoying. So this is one of the things that I got from Skims. It's their little soft lounge. I don't even know what this is called, but it's basically like a little jumpsuit. Cute. Like, Kim, you did that. Period. So yeah, this is the little soft lounge, and I love this color. It's so cute. Let me tell you all the details in case y'all want to like get the same. What is it called? Oh, this is called the Okay, so this is called the soft lounge button-up Henley onesie, and this is in the color wood. So I got a size large. It's pretty stretchy. I feel like I could have got a size medium, but I don't really like for my pajamas to be like tight on me while I'm in the bed, you know. So I feel like this is okay. This is a good size. So yeah, it's a little stretchy. And then I also got me three pairs of underwear. Their underwear, I have it on right now. It feels very, very good, y'all. Like, and it's stretchy as well. So it's that very stretchy material. And then I did get a bra, but girl, it was too big, so they didn't have my size. So I was like, why don't I just go up one size? Like, who told me to do that? Anyway, you already know it didn't fit, so I have to return that back tomorrow. So I'm gonna drop that off. But yeah, that's all that I basically got. So I didn't really get a lot to do like a haul. That's why I wanted to include it in this video. But this is just so super cute to me, y'all. Like, it's just so comfy. Like, girl, I just love Skims, okay? I'm really a Skims girl. So yeah, so that is basically what I got from Skims. And right now I'm about to go ahead and make me some tacos. So I'm going to be making me some shrimp tacos, and I have these street tacos right here. Girl, I've been doing so good this week with like working out, ever since last week, honestly. Working out, eating right, but today we're gonna cheat a little, okay, because I feel like I deserve it. So I'm gonna be eating these. And then Target, I did a pickup order, y'all, because I didn't really have time today to go out. So Target didn't have a lot of stuff. So girl, we're missing pico, we're missing lettuce, we're missing a lot. So I'm just gonna have basically on my tacos just cheese, sour cream, and salsa. That sounds so bland, but we're gonna do what it do. I don't know why my camera be getting dark, y'all. It's so annoying. So the seasoning I'm gonna be using is the Slap Your Mama. Baby, if you haven't heard of this, or if you haven't used this, you need to go try it. I get mine from Walmart because I don't see this anywhere else. Like, I don't know if any of my other grocery stores have it, but I definitely don't be seeing it nowhere. So maybe I need to like double check. Cause girl, I hate going to Walmart, okay? Walmart is just like so annoying. So I have my shrimp. So we gonna cook her up. We gonna chill. I wish I had some wine, but girl, I ain't got no wine. So let's get with it. We're cooking our shrimp tacos. This is so cute. Oh my god, I am in love with this. Okay, so I'm gonna set y'all up and we're gonna go ahead and cook our tacos. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. Girl, I am sweating, okay? I just got finished my workout. Baby, it was a good workout. It was 40 minutes and I do Grow with Joe. Yeah, I talked about my little workout and my morning routine, so if y'all are interested in seeing like what exactly I do, make sure to check out that video. Baby, woo, like, okay. And I wore my sweat belt. Y'all, I really want to like lose my stomach fat. That's like my main goal right now, is like my stomach fat and like my chest area. So yeah, it was a good workout. So woo, girl, it's so hot. So today y'all, we're going out. Girl, we're going out. I don't know where I'm going. I kind of want to go to Bath and Body Works because they have another sale today on their hand soaps, and I kind of want to get some hand soaps to like go in my kitchen and in my bathroom. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get some hand soaps because they're only like $2.95, y'all, which is very, very cheap. So I'm like, let me pull up on them. Let me pull up on them. So I'm going there, and then, whew, girl. Okay, baby. So yeah, I'm going there, and then I don't know what else I'm doing. I guess wherever the day leads. Y'all, I really want to buy a MacBook. I see one that's on sale that I want, and I just really want to buy it because I feel like I need one. Because editing on my phone is really not, it's not it. And then I have a computer, but it's so old, y'all, and it goes so slow. And I want to start like uploading like 30-minute, 45-minute vlogs, maybe even an hour. Like, I really want to upload long vlogs, y'all, but I can't do that on my phone because I don't have enough storage. Like, it would not save that many files. So yeah, girl, I'm really thinking about getting this MacBook. I'm about to make me some breakfast, y'all, and then take a shower and then get ready to go, okay? All right, so I'm gonna see y'all I guess when I get ready.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V.
Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later. So I just got back. It's like 10 o'clock at night, y'all. About to be 11 o'clock to be exact. Girl, been out all day per usual. So y'all saw that I went to Bath and Body. So yeah, I got me some stuff in Bath and Body Works because, you know, I told y'all they was having their little hand soaps for $2.95, like all their hand soaps. I think it was today only, y'all. And so it was so many people in there. I said, oh my gosh, but what to expect when it's the weekend, you already know. So I ended up just getting 4 hand soaps, but they're like all the same. So I got 2 of the same hand soaps, one to go in my bathroom, one to go into my kitchen. So this one is called Merry Cookie. Y'all, I love like the little scents that smell like Christmassy time. I also love vanilla scents. This kind of smells like a vanilla type vibe. Let me re-smell her. Yes, it smells just like a little sugar cookie. I think that smells so good. So I got 2 of these, and then I got, of course, warm vanilla and sugar. This is like my favorite scent, y'all. You already know how to smell. If you know Bath and Body Works, if you go to Bath and Body Works, you already know. This smells so good. It's like a rich vanilla type vibe. It smells so good, y'all. So I don't know which one I'm gonna use first. Like, I don't know. I think I'm gonna use this one first because I really like the aesthetic, like the type it is. I wish they would have had foam in the warm vanilla, but I didn't see the foam one. So yeah, I only spent like $12. That is a deal. And then I went to Home Goods. Girl, I was not planning on buying anything, but little behold, I bought some stuff. So let me show y'all what I got. Yeah, I'm going to, I don't know if I told y'all, but next week I'm going to Virginia for Thanksgiving. That's like my second home, y'all. I'll be going there all the time, every year for Thanksgiving. Like, it's literally like a tradition. So from, where is this? Home Goods / Marshalls, I got me some bedroom shoes because, girl, I do not have any bedroom shoes at all. So I just got these. These were $7.99. And then up north, it's gonna be freezing cold. So I just got me this little, just this little hat. It's like an Adidas hat. This was $12.99. It's very stretchy, so it's gonna fit over these braids because I'm gonna have my braids in. So I just got that, and then I got me some socks. These are like little midi socks, midway. These were $6.99 for a 6 pair. And then I just got me some gloves, y'all, because I don't own any gloves. Like, I don't know. Then I just got me some conditioner for when I do take my braids out, because probably when I come back, I'm taking my braids out, y'all, because I'm going to get them redone. Because this hair, it's almost been a month. Like, I think the end of this month will be a month I've had my braids in. And then what else did I get? Oh yeah, I'm going to show y'all this. I'm going to put this is going to go in my bathroom. This was $12.99 from Home Goods. This is so cute, y'all. It's like that really, like, what is this called? What is this called? It's like stone material. It's really heavy, y'all. So I'm going to put this like above my toilet, well, behind my toilet, if that makes sense. I'm going to show y'all how it's going to look. Hopefully it'll be cute, because I got a vibe in my head. And yeah, I'm hoping it's gonna turn out right. And then the last little things I got is I just got me these little dish sponges. I use these instead of cloths, so I just got me these. 2 in a pack for $2.99. And then y'all, got Bella a little pajama set. Girl, we gonna put this on Bella and see how it looks. I got her a size small because Bella, she's not like small, but she's not big. But your girl be eating. So we're gonna see if this fits, y'all. So I'm gonna put that on her and see what it's giving. And then let me show y'all one last thing that I got. Y'all, I went to Target, right? And I seen Shaded by Jade here on YouTube. Hey girl, if you ever see my video, I love her channel. So she was talking about I think these are the ones that she was talking about. This is the Febreze, the plugins. So I just got the set, and this is the only scent they had, y'all. This is called Ocean. This smells good to me. It's like, yeah, it smells, I really like this. So she said that these work really good. So I want my house to smell like something when you walk in here. Right now, I feel like my house just doesn't smell like anything. So we gonna see. And these were like $5.99, which I think is really good because it comes with the actual plug itself. So yeah, girl, I have all this stuff. Girl, I was out all day, but I have like stuff from Target. I got dishes in the sink I need to wash, excuse that. I got stuff over here from Target. So yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up. But hold on, let me show y'all. Let me get this big thing, because I want to put this in my bathroom and see what it's gonna be giving me, the type of vibe. Ooh, this color looks so cute in here though. Let me show y'all. The color is really giving. So right now all I have is my little baby wipes. You already know. And then I have this spray. I could probably put this spray on here, right? Let me set this up, y'all. So y'all can really see. Let me take this off. This is so cute. Oh my god. This is so cute. Yeah, I have been looking for something to go behind here because I really didn't know what to put. Because y'all know, if you don't know, I have like this black little tray right here. So I didn't want to get black. But this looks so super cute, y'all. What do y'all think? I think this looks so cute. I think I should put something else right there. Should I put like maybe some hand towels? I don't know. Like, would you want to put hand towels behind a toilet? I don't know. I don't know. But that's really, really cute, y'all. I really like that. Oh yes, baby, that is so cute. So yeah, I think I'm excited about my purchase because that's really cute. Let me put these baby wipes over here in the meantime until I decide what I want to put. What I want to put right there. But yeah, girl. So yeah, that's really cute. I'm glad I got that, y'all. And I actually found that in the kitchen section. So that's honestly a kitchen piece, but I found it. I just thought it would look cute in the bathroom. And then, girl, I seen Shaded by Jade have this too, y'all. So I decided to get this because my tub is so huge that I have to like step in and clean it. And it be hurting my back. Like, I just do not be having time. So I'm going to be using that because I want to record my Sunday reset vlog. I was going to record it tonight, y'all, but I'm just going to do it tomorrow because your girl is a little tired. So I'm gonna not record that tonight because I really do not feel like doing it. And then y'all know I told y'all I'm waiting on something to come from Amazon. It's supposed to be here tomorrow because I'm gonna include that in my video. So make sure y'all subscribe, girl, because period, like I said, we're being consistent, okay? So yeah. Oh my god, I've been talking for 7 minutes. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up and I'm gonna just chill for the night. I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, but except for recording my video. But I'm gonna see y'all a little later, probably tomorrow or maybe Monday, because I want to record me packing. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all a little later. Y'all, I had to get back on here because I just put on Bella's pajamas. Girl, oh my god, look at my child. Look at my child. She doesn't even like them and they look crazy. Bella, they're too big, y'all. Look how she's walking. They are too big, and this is a size small. Girl, I'm so sorry.
Straight up. Look.